Welcome to Green and Woke on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed this segment. The link to the entire podcast can be found in the description box. Here's some of the health benefits of bananas. Vitamin B6, which is good for energy. Manganese, which is an electrolyte that regulates the water in the body, especially after exercise. Vitamin C, which is great for the immune system, and an antioxidant which removes the free radicals in the body to prevent early aging and may even prevent cancer. Potassium, which is a great source in bananas. For this reason, bananas are also a great snack after workouts. Dietary fibers helps to keep you regular and may prevent colon cancer. Protein, which builds your muscle. Magnesium, which is another electrolyte. Folate or folic acid, which is a B vitamin that women who are pregnant or thinking of becoming pregnant should consume regularly since it helps prevent birth defects.